Mika Miyagi. I'm from the Los Angeles Families Church.
Hi, my name is Denise Toe from Minnesota.
So I came to the 7-day workshop on the recommendation of my pastors, Joshua and Takayo Holmes, and really I was just looking for time to reflect on myself and kind of resolving some issues from the past and just trying to find time to connect more deeply with God.
I think just with what I've been going through the last couple of years, I was trying to find a solution to what I was going through, and somehow I felt guided to give this 7-day workshop a try, and everything worked out that made it possible for me to be here. I was questioning a lot, like, God, do you love me? How much do you love me? And I felt that I was able to receive that confirmation. And then also I felt that God was asking me, how much do I love God? And I got an answer to that as well. Sometimes through difficulties and challenges, it's so easy to feel lonely or in a way abandoned by God, or wondering why things aren't going the way they are. And just that confirmation just was really comforting.
From this workshop, I think one of the biggest things that I experienced was really recognizing the substantial reality of spirit world, and really recognizing that I really am the fruits of true parents and heavenly parents, and my own ancestors and my parents guiding me to restore our lineage, and just feeling a lot of grace and beauty behind it, and all the foundation that was laid by our true parents for us to have Chonchimwon and come so close to the spirit world and God's heart here. So I'm really grateful that I was able to make it to the 7-day workshop, and I would really recommend it for everyone else too.
I'm glad I was able to be here and just be in this environment. It's hard to go home and to reality, but I feel confident going home with what I've learned from here and to use that to help me in my life. 어머니 사랑합니다.
어머니 사랑합니다.
Really grateful to have experienced this workshop with Fred and Hannah.